Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to recommend products via Octane AI quizzes. Now that you have set up your quiz, you can click on products below it to open the instruction field. So here you can write your instructions. In this example, we have a very simple quiz with just one question, and we will ask smart products to only recommend products from one of these categories. So in this prompt for AI, it says here recommend a minimum of one and a maximum of 5 products that are related only to what the customer is looking for. So here you can enter a prompt on which is more optimal for you to recommend for customers. You can also use this prompt, recommend a minimum of 1 and maximum of 5 products that are related to what are you looking for. So that after this, just click on save and you're done. Thanks for watching.